Let's see how we can use the Roman and Arabic functions in Google Sheets. We have the Roman and Arabic functions Google Sheet open and it has the data template we require. In column A, we want the Roman numerals from 1 to 10. In column B, we want the values of the Roman numerals in column A. To get the Roman numerals from 1 to 10, we will use the Roman function, which formats a number in Roman numerals. It takes number and optional rule relaxation as arguments. An example is shown. If we click Learn More, we can know more about optional rule relaxation, which can take any value from 0 to 4. We can choose either 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 depending on the rule relaxation we want. Let's close this tab now. So for our case, we will write equal to Roman. Since we want the numbers from 1 to 10, we will use the sequence function. Which returns a grid of sequential numbers. With rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. Since we want an array of numbers from 1 to 10, we will have to use the array formula over this. We see that we get the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, in column B, we want the values of the Roman numerals in column A. For this, we will use the Arabic function, which computes the value of a Roman numeral. It takes Roman numeral as argument. An example is shown. Roman numeral to format where the value must be between 1 and 3999 inclusive. For our case, we will write equal to Arabic A2. Let's autofill the data. So we get the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the Roman function and the Arabic function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.